Hi, and welcome to Right Style Cooking TV. Today we are going to make brown stewed chicken legs, or in other cultures they call it chicken drumstick. This is a very wonderful, very delicious recipe, and it's also quick. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this video. Okay, let's get into it. Half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon dried thyme leaves, half a teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon jerk seasoning, half a teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon chopped onion, half a teaspoon lemon pepper, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon dried chopped onion, one teaspoon chives, one medium onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, couple of pieces Scotch bonnet pepper, one teaspoon red wine vinegar, one teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. This is it. for the seasoning. I'll get back to you after the seasoning is finished, and I'm about to fry the chicken or brown them. See you then. Hi folks, I'm back. I got all these chicken legs marinated. They were marinating for approximately 5 hours. Could have done that for overnight or less, but I chose to do it for 5 hours. It's chicken, easily marinated. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how they look. I've removed all the marinade from the pieces, and I'll be browning them now. These are the pieces, the chicken legs. How wonderful they look. Wonderful. I've put in six chicken legs, and I'll just brown them on one side for about 3 minutes, and then I'll turn them, brown them on the other side for 3 minutes. So this is how you do it. After I finish browning and about to start the stewing process, I'll get back to you. Okay, I've finished browning the chicken legs, and I'm gonna return them to the pot and start the stewing process. This is how they look, nice and brown. How wonderful they look. I'll be adding a cup of water. One cup of water. Okay. Then I'll be adding the marinade now. Marinade. I'll stir this in, and then check the seasoning. If it need more seasoning, I'll add that. If it's okay, I'll leave it like it is. So I'll lower the heat now and let it steam for a while. I'll be putting on the cover on the pot. So I'll get back to you when this chicken is done. Oh yes, I'm back. And this is the brown stew chicken legs on its final legs. How lovely it is. Nice and juicy. Wow. This is really something to talk about. This is one delicious chicken leg recipe. I'll be having it with white rice. The rice is presently cooking, and when the rice is completed, I'll be plating some of this chicken legs with the rice. See you then. Okay, I'm back and about to do the plating now. I'm gonna have this with some white rice and zucchini. Okay, white rice and zucchini. I'd put in how lovely it looks. I'd put in some potatoes in the chicken legs. Here's a piece of potato. How wonderful it looks. Look at this gravy. What lovely gravy. This is a wonderful gravy. I won't be taking no more than 2 of these chicken legs. I'll be pouring a little gravy on my rice. Ooh, oh lovely. And I'll be pouring some on the chicken. So this is a wonderful brown stew chicken leg. Oh lovely. There, look at that chicken leg. Wow. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Brown stew chicken leg.